peeps. So it's unlike Kev,
Right.
unlike me. If you look over there, we've just come through this water, and we're now going to go into this long dark tunnel. So pretty excited about this. So
Yeah.
let's go, Kev. I'll flip on the old light. Flip the light on. There we go.
That's fully charged up.
Huh? Yeah, it's fully charged. Oh, for that. That's pretty neat, isn't it? How deep are we looking here? We've got half a foot of water. Yeah, as long as that's all that's down here. Wow. What a brickwork. Oh man. None of those birds can see. Let's have a quick look round. There we go, into the unknown. Birds are freaking out, aren't they? So, should be about a mile, half a mile.
How long is it?
Huh?
How long it is?
Maybe a bit longer. Oh, don't worry about it. Toxic birds. Oh. Remember, if you start feeling a bit sicky or anything, just let us know. The same here, right? This is the big end of the tunnel. Oh. Last time I came in here years ago, it was up to my waist and there's fish swimming about and everything. Just checking behind us. It's alright. Kev's got his waders on. Oh well. Don't know where that one goes. Who knows? Yeah. You're breathing alright, yeah?
Yeah,
Yeah. Got some bricks to build this. You should be down here so it'll come flushing out down the side there. Yeah. They've got sort of 3 different tunnels. Oh, nice. I'm presuming this is underneath, but there was talk under here that, well, I don't know if it's where we are now, where they, in the old days, they tried to get underneath the bank and rob it, but they weren't very successful from what I was told. Duh. Could be. I'm just trying to think what this is. It's almost like a little sluice, what they had here, that stop the water. Have a look down. There I was in this long dark tunnel. Stick down the centre tunnel.
Yeah.
Let's go. Whoa. Cool. Right. Now, bag. Alright.
Yeah.
Not sure if it's on full whack, this torch.
You right? You don't want that one.
I'll leave it on that one for now.
Yeah.
I think these birds, doves are thinking, what the bloody hell? Mate. You're breathing all right? Yeah. I think it's just this light, this camera on my head. I'm feeling a bit, ugh. At least that's what it better be anyway. No. If you're feeling all right. Well, we couldn't get in the other end. We had a bit of a mishap the other end, so we come in this end. And see, Kev's in full waders. Me, yeah, I've gone hardcore. If we see anything down here, you know I'm running out. Right.
Somewhere you would want to come alone, isn't it?
Not really. Now, luckily the river's pretty low, so you can see where it comes up to, the level. It's be coming up to chest height. What's your torch like with this one off? Well, still not bad, is it?
Yeah, it's pretty good. That's on 65%.
Alright.
An hour, just under 2 hours left of it.
Don't know how far we come down here now. These pigeons are...
Fish there.
Yeah? Oh yeah. Yeah, last time, like I say, we came down here with landing nets last time. We were catching eels. And there was pike. Alright. No? Alright. It's getting deeper though. What have we got here? That's a manhole cover, look.
Yeah.
Oh, what was that? I'm going full bore brightness. So let me check behind as well.
One way.
Can you hear that?
Yeah. Yeah, I might.
Huh?
We're getting a bit more.
It's alright. It's alright. I don't know what that is. What? What's that?
Yeah, it's more like
I'm alright at the moment. Retreating? Yeah. You can't retreat now, right? Alright, we'll go back a little bit, see how you feel in a minute, though. There's plenty of air coming down now. Yeah. We'll go back to that middle bit, yeah?
Yeah.
And regroup. Yeah, we haven't got any stuff down there, just to test for the air and everything. So, Kev says he's feeling a bit. I felt a little bit funny up there, but I've just put it down to this head camera. Could be claustrophobic, mate.
I know.
I'd say we're only about halfway down.
Yeah?
Because when you're walking this way, you feel breeze coming onto you.
Yeah.
Yeah. So there's air moving down here. I think we're all right. But we'll go back at the top here and spend 5 minutes there and see how we feel, all right? Golf balls.
Oh yeah. Got to roll down the start.
A little bit of a clue there to some people. There's quite a few golf balls. And another golf ball. I don't know. Where all these bricks have come from that are down there? This all come from the side. Yeah, I can feel the breeze coming down now. Whoa. I can hear the traffic above the top as well. Another cover. Let's have a listen to that.
You got no spare hands on that?
Yeah, go on. Alright.
I do drink.
You're having a laugh, aren't you? So we'll stop up there. We've only got about two minutes to go. Stop up there and decide. Just going to turn this down one notch. I think that's. You've got the side tunnels, yeah. Oh. I don't know. I could have sworn I just saw something then, like to the left, like a shit on the side. I don't know.
There's a pigeon down there.
I don't know. Let's head back up this way to that bit. Ooh, getting his torch on the right setting. Right, we'll stop up here. Right, take 5 minutes here. Alright peeps, just going to have a short break and decide what we're going to do. Whether we go back down that way, whether we take the smaller tunnel, I don't know. Or this tunnel, who knows. What's this side like? Is that... Whoa, look at that. Right down there. Anyway, one like Kev for now. And me. Take care, peeps.